I see many people sharing an idea with a high level of enthusiasm and a high level of passion. Now, that's okay to a point, but really, the idea itself gets a little lost in the over-enthusiasm and the over-excitement. And sometimes that over-excitement and over-passion can detract from the idea itself. Look, I'm like anyone. If I come up with a new idea and I'm really excited about it, I can't help but express it. I get caught up in the emotion. So I deliberately take a breath. I step back. I give a moment, well actually more than a moment, I give a day or a week or 2 weeks to be able to pull back from the emotion a little. And yes, I still have passion, but it starts to be almost the right amount of passion. Well, a better amount of passion. And so when I do share it with others, there's less of my emotion involved in it. And there's something magic that happens. When they hear that idea, they get to attach their own emotion to it. And that gets them excited. So if you're coming up with new ideas and you feel that level of high excitement and high passion, take a breath. Make sure that you step back just a little so that when you present it, it feels a little softer and others can attach their own emotion to it.